In the last module, we learned how the reading tool can be used with a child. If you are a teacher or you are someone working with a group of children, you will need to put together the results of all the children you tested. That way, you know not only how each individual child is doing, but also how the entire group or class is doing. In this module, we will learn how to record and use the results of the entire group or class. Let's look at this recording sheet. What does it mean when we say a child is marked at the highest level? Remember the child Akash from the last video? He could read both paragraph and story fluently. He was therefore marked at the story level. On the other hand, Rani, who read the paragraph but not the story, was marked at the paragraph level. Other children in your group can be marked in the same way. Let us now count the children at each level of reading. This is how your reading summary table looks. Can you tell me in simple words what these results mean? Akash and Beena can read a story easily and are therefore marked at story level. Rani can read letters, words and paragraph but not yet read a story. She is at paragraph level. Monu and Sanya can read letters and words but cannot read a paragraph or story. They are marked at word level. Riya, Priya and Ramu can recognize letters but cannot read words. Therefore, they are marked at letter level. Ayush and Kavita cannot recognize letters, so they are at beginner level. You can also use a chart like this one to easily visualize the reading level of every child and the class as a whole. The initial levels are called baseline. Now that you know the current level of every child, you will have to think of how to help each child improve. Can you think of ways to help every child reach the story level? If children like Rani, Monu and Sanya are given some reading practice, they can easily become story level readers in just 5 to 10 days. Children like Ayush and Kavita should be taught to recognize letters, sound out syllables and form simple words. As you work with the children, their reading will improve and so you can use the columns called midline and endline to note their progress. In just a short period of time, of you and the children working together, you will find that most children have moved to para or story reading levels. So what have you learnt in this video? You have learnt how to record the results of an individual child, how to summarize the reading results for a group as a whole, and how to visualize and understand these results in a simple manner.